Hello guys, this is Rishabh and you are watching Company360.in. Reduced patent fee for educational institutes, February 2021. Draft Patents Amendment Rules 2021. Let us start with knowing what we are going to talk about. The Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Department for Protection of Industry and Internal Trade, DPIIT, has published the Draft Patents Amendment Rules 2021 on February 9, 2021. According to the notification, the central government proposes to provide benefits to the eligible educational institutions for promoting patent filing by such institutes and has accordingly proposed changes to the rules 2, 7, 24C and fee schedule of the Indian Patent Rules 2003, and the central government has now invited objections and suggestions from the public and stakeholders to be submitted within a period of 30 days from the date on which the notification was published in the official gazette, that is, by March 11, 2021. Amendments proposed to the Patent Rules 2003. There are basically two benefits that have been proposed for the eligible educational institution in India: reduction of official fee for patent applications in India, expedited examination, Rule 24C. Reduction in official fee for patent applications in India. The government official fee for the eligible educational institute to be reduced by 1/5 of the current official fee and to be made equal to that payable by a natural person, startup, small entity. A brief comparison of the previous and proposed government official fee is tabulated below. Number 1. Filing patent application at IPO. The previous fee was 8,000 rupees and the proposed fee is 1,600 rupees. Number 2. Filing request for publication. The previous fee was 12,500 rupees. The proposed fee is 2,500 rupees. Number 3. Filing request for examination. The previous fee was 20,000 rupees and the proposed fee is 4,000 rupees. Number 4. Filing request for expedited examination. The proposed fee is 8,000 rupees and the previous fee was 60,000 rupees. A new clause CA has been added to Rule 2 defining eligible educational institutions as an institution established by a central, provincial or state act, which is owned or controlled by the government and is wholly or substantially financed by the government. For claiming the above benefit of fee reduction for the eligible educational institution, every document for which a fee has been specified by the Indian Patent Office has to be accompanied by Form 28. Amendments in the second provision of the Sub-Rule 1 and Sub-Rule 3 of Rule number 7 have been proposed accordingly that mandates filing of Form 28 along with any document accompanied with fee and payment of difference in fee when entity of the applicant changes from eligible educational institution to a large entity. Expedited examination, Rule 24C. According to the proposed amendments, a new clause K has been added to Rule 24C(1) of the Patent Rules 2003. As per the new clause, the eligible educational institution will also be eligible for expedited examination request and changes has been suggested in Form 18A and Form 28 accordingly for the Indian and foreign applicants satisfying the eligibility criteria of an eligible educational institution. This brings eligible educational institutions in par with startups by allowing them to request for expedited examination and get their applications granted within 6 to 12 months of filing the application at IPO. Presently, patent applications filed by educational institutions take around 4 to 6 years to get granted. Want to get similar services done for you? Company360.in provides you with all the necessities required for this procedure for a very reasonable price. Thanks. If you still have some questions, then feel free to put them down in the comments section, or you can contact us through these given contacts on your screen. Our team would be glad to help you.